If your phone case isn't heating evenly or the sides look blurry, it's because the film didn't suck down tight. Basically, the vacuum failed. Here are the 2 most common signs to look for. So in this video, we'll walk you through how to vacuum properly to secure a clean, even transfer every time. Solution 1. Press the inner and outer silicone ring gently to ensure proper airtightness while the machine is cool. Solution 2. Press the time button, and when the time button lights up yellow, set the preheating time within the recommended range of 0 to 10 seconds to soften the film. The best is 5 seconds. Solution 3. Set both upper and lower heat plates to 135 degrees Celsius, 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Be careful. Too high temperature can burn the film and cause holes. Step 4. Place the module correctly. When placing, ensure its pin has been aligned with the slots on the chamber. If it isn't positioned correctly, the vacuum won't form properly. Solution 5. Do not block the air holes on the lens pad when sticking it to the phone case. If the holes are blocked, the air will be trapped, which prevents full suction and leads to uneven transfers. Solution 6. Lay the film flat and ensure it fully covers the silicone sealing area, leaving at least 0.5 mm/0.2 inches of extra space around. Solution 7. Once the preheating finishes, place the film and close the cover within 10 seconds. Follow these steps and you'll secure a proper vacuum seal.